Hi, I'm Diana. I just got the Samsung S25 Ultra and I wanted to protect it. It's quite an investment, as you know. So I got one of these cases and I have to tell you, I'm super impressed with this. I've never had a case like this before. It is really, really solid, but it's grippy. It's kind of got a rubberized feel to it. And in my past, anything that had that kind of rubber feel to it really protected my phone really well. When it dropped, it kind of absorbed the impact versus a super hard case. I've had issues with those cracking my phone, but this has got that kind of rubber feel, a nice like bumpy edge here, so it really makes for a really solid grip. I love that it has this little window here. It covers the lens of your phone when you're not using it and protects it, opens it up. And then it also has this little case here, and this opens up and you can put cards in here. I don't think I would ever put my credit cards in there, but I would put like a little cleaning cloth in there or something, or a business cards maybe. You can also then, once you close this, you can open it up. You can make it a stand and make it stand upright or on its side, either way. The inside of here is nice and kind of a foam protectant so the back side doesn't get scratched. But I have to tell you, I was concerned about the buttons, right? Because these are just kind of like little plastic pieces, but they're just built perfectly. I have no problems. The buttons work very easily on here. So far, I love this. I'm probably going to get some other colors. I really, really love this so far. It is going to be my probably go-to case all the time because I want to protect that new phone. So definitely check it out. I really like it.